Promoted as too new to be true, 1958 Chevrolet Impala not only defined an era with its chrome and charisma, but continues to inspire car enthusiasts with its timeless design and unmatched customization potential. Discover why the '58 Impala remains a beloved symbol of automotive excellence. The late 1950s marked a golden era for American car manufacturers, characterized by vehicles brimming with chrome, personality, and allure. The 1958 Impala stood out during this time, promoted by Chevrolet with the slogan, "Too new to be true." This model represented a significant leap forward for the brand, and early Impalas continue to be favorites for customization enthusiasts. Introduced as Chevrolet's top model, the Impala debuted in 1958 with a unique one-year body style on General Motors' B-body platform. At the time, the Impala was the pinnacle of Chevrolet's lineup, initially serving as the highest trim level of the Bel Air. This strategic move by Chevrolet was aimed at capturing a larger market share by appealing to consumers looking for luxury and performance in one package. Several key design changes distinguished the 1958 Impala from earlier Chevrolet models. The prominent tail fins of 1957 were toned down, and the front end was updated with quad headlights, a feature that became synonymous with high-end automobiles of the era. The traditional perimeter frame was replaced with X-rails, which reportedly improved torsional rigidity and allowed for a lower passenger compartment. This new frame design not only enhanced the car's structural integrity, but also contributed to a smoother and more comfortable ride, setting a new standard for passenger vehicles. In 1958, Chevrolet produced 125,480 Impala coupes, a testament to its popularity. This production number highlighted the significant demand for stylish and powerful cars during that period. The Impala's success was not just due to its aesthetics, it also boasted impressive performance. The available engines ranged from a 235 cubic inch inline-six to a powerful 348 cubic inch V8, offering a variety of options to suit different driving preferences. One of these sport coupes has survived 66 years and has been customized to stand out uniquely. This particular car incorporates elements from various GM models, including Buick, Cadillac, and DeSoto, earning it the nickname DeCheviac. Its candy apple red paint with ghost accents is striking, and the shaved door handles give it a sleek appearance. The more you examine the exterior, the more custom touches you notice, such as a 1958 Buick grille, a 1957 DeSoto front bumper, 1959 Cadillac taillight housings, chrome lake pipes, a Continental kit, and spotlights. It rides on 13-inch wire wheels wrapped in Remington whitewall tires. The customization of classic cars like this Impala is a testament to the creativity and dedication of car enthusiasts. Customizers often spend countless hours sourcing rare parts, fabricating unique components, and meticulously crafting their vision into reality. This process not only preserves automotive history, but also breathes new life into these timeless machines, making them relevant and exciting for new generations of car lovers. The engine bay of this Impala is as impressive as the exterior. It features 6 chrome-finished 2-barrel carburetors, a polished aluminum radiator, and various other shiny components. Powering this classic beauty is a 350 cubic inch small block V8 engine paired with a Powerglide 2-speed automatic transmission. This combination provides not only a nostalgic driving experience, but also the power and reliability that modern drivers expect. In addition to its mechanical prowess, the interior of this Impala has also been updated to match its stunning exterior. The cabin features custom upholstery, modern gauges, and a high-end audio system, blending vintage charm with contemporary comfort and convenience. The attention to detail in the interior design ensures that every drive is a pleasure, whether cruising down the highway or attending a car show. The history of the Chevrolet Impala is rich and storied. Over the decades, it has evolved through numerous generations, each bringing its own innovations and improvements. The first generation, to which the 1958 model belongs, set the stage for what would become one of Chevrolet's most iconic and enduring models. Subsequent generations saw the Impala grow in size, power, and luxury, solidifying its place in American automotive history. The 1960s brought further advancements, with the Impala becoming available as a Supersport SS model, featuring more powerful engines and sportier styling cues. The SS badge would go on to become one of the most revered in the muscle car world, symbolizing performance and prestige. The Impala's influence extended beyond the United States, with the model becoming popular in international markets as well, thanks to its blend of style, comfort, and performance. As emissions regulations and the oil crisis of the 1970s took their toll on the automotive industry, the Impala adapted, offering more fuel-efficient engines and smaller body sizes. Despite these changes, it maintained its reputation for providing a high level of comfort and a smooth ride. The 1980s and 1990s saw the Impala continue to evolve, with a focus on technology and safety features. In the 21st century, the Impala has remained a staple of the Chevrolet lineup, continuously updated with modern technology and design elements. The latest models offer advanced driver assistance systems, connectivity features, and efficient powertrains, ensuring that the Impala remains relevant in a rapidly changing automotive landscape. This unique hardtop coupe is a true gem from the glorious days of the 1950s. It stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of classic American cars and the creativity of those who keep this heritage alive through meticulous restoration and customization. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala is more than just a car. It is a symbol of an era when automobiles were not just modes of transportation, but expressions of individuality and style. As we look to the future, the legacy of the Chevrolet Impala serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving our automotive history. These classic cars connect us to a time when the American dream was epitomized by the open road and the freedom it represented. The continued popularity of the Impala and other classic cars ensures that this rich history will be cherished and celebrated for generations to come.